Make these in different colors. This one happens to be in red. Okay, so I'm going to go over the features of the camera. This is the power button. This is the mode button. Here's the lens. Here are the infrared lamps. Here's the memory card slot, the charger port. I'm just going to show you how it connects. Right over here is a linear loop for a hand strap, the LED display. This hole over here is the reset button. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the camera. The first thing you need to do is to install a memory card. This camera uses a micro SD card. So to install the memory card, you just have to insert the memory card in the memory card slot, which is right here. Just push it in, and the memory card is installed. Okay, to power the camera on, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. Okay. Now, as you just saw, the blue light flashed and is now steady, and the camera is now in standby mode. Now, to start recording video in 720 pixels, press the power button. Now, as you just saw, the blue light flashed 3 times, and the camera is now recording video in 720 pixels. Now, to stop recording video and to save the file as an AVI file, press the power button. The camera has stopped recording, the file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now, to record in 1080 pixels, press the mode button. Now, as you just saw, the light changed from a steady blue light to a steady red light, and the camera is now in 1080 pixels video standby mode. Now, to record video, press the power button. Now, as you just saw, the camera flashed 3 times, and the camera is now recording video in 1080 pixels. To stop recording video, press the power button. Video recording has stopped. The file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Okay, now to take a photo while the camera is in standby mode, press the mode button for about 2 seconds. Okay, now let go. Now to take a photo, press the power button. As you just saw, the camera flashed once. You just took a photo. To take another photo, press the power button again. You just took another photo. To take another photo, press the power button again. And so on and so forth. Okay, now to turn on the infrared night vision function in either blue or red light standby mode, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. Okay, as you just saw, the camera flashed 2 times, and the camera now has infrared night vision mode activated. As you can see, the infrared night vision lamps are on, and the camera is now ready to record with infrared night vision. Now, to turn off the infrared night vision function, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. Okay, as you just saw, the camera flashed several times, and the infrared night vision function is now off. Now, to record with motion detection in 720 pixels, while the camera is in blue light standby mode, press and hold down the mode button for about 3 seconds. Now, as you just saw, the camera flashed several times, and is now in motion detection recording mode in 720 pixels. Now, when the camera detects motion, it's going to start recording for about 5 minutes. It will continue recording, even though it will continue recording without detecting motion for about 5 minutes, and then it will turn off and go back into motion detection standby mode. Once it detects motion again, it will then start recording for another 5 minutes, and then turn off when it doesn't detect motion for 5 minutes, and so on and so forth. Now, to record video with motion detection in 1080 pixels, put the camera into red light standby mode. Now press and hold down the mode button for about 3 seconds. Okay, and now the camera is in motion detection mode in 1080 pixels, and will have the same functionality as it does when using 720 pixels. Okay, now you can use this camera as a webcam as well. You simply just connect the camera with the cable to the computer, and while the camera is connected, you just press the power button, and then the camera is going to be ready to be used as a webcam. Now another way to do it is, if the memory card is removed, you just simply connect the camera to the computer, and the camera will automatically be ready to be used as a webcam. Now you can also connect this to a television. And here you have an RCA cable, so you just connect the camera and this cable to a television as AV out. Then you'll see the camera being displayed on a television. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to mount the hardware. Right here you have a clip. Now there's 4 indentations, so you just clip this on. This pivots, so you can clip this onto something. You also have this piece right here. This also pivots as well. And this can be mounted. You have 2 holes over here. To remove it, just pull it off. Okay, to power the camera off, press and hold down the power button for about 6 seconds. Now, as you just saw, the camera flashed quickly several times, and the camera is now powered off. Now, to charge the camera, just plug the camera into the computer, and you're going to see the camera flashing a red light. When the red light stops flashing and you see a steady red light, then the camera is charged.